Division Adventure. Hi, young mathematicians. Today, we're going on a division adventure. Subscribe to Let's Stud and let's learn together. Let's see what's next. We're starting with the first digit, 4. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Fantastic start. Let's move on. On to the next step. We bring down the next digit, 5. 5 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Almost there. Let's keep going. Ready for the final step. We bring down the 2, making it 12. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. Wow, no remainder. Great job. And that's the end. So the answer is 113. We did it. We divided 452 by 4 and got 113. That means if we share 452 cookies among 4 friends, each friend gets 113 cookies. Remember, practice makes perfect, and every step brings you closer to becoming a division superstar. Keep practicing and you'll become a math master. Don't forget to check out more fun videos on the Let's Stud channel. Bye for now.